on to the ala moa, but I don't know what happened because in Hawaii, I got burned on my face and my nose and my, yeah. But like I said, you can take this off and this would be a really cute. Moving on to Sephora's VIP. On that 4th day, bought some candles, guys. These candles I've never heard of before. Got myself another Murad SPF 50. What is this? On that 4th day, we were like, this here is the maple. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys see a little different look here. Yes, I touched up my hair yesterday, so it's really dark, especially the top here. But the top is actually just a glaze, which is not a permanent color. It's just a demi, so it actually just kind of like fades away after a certain amount of washes. The top of my hair has like a natural light brown warmth to it. So the bottom blonde that I had was turning really blonde. And I was on the fence about coloring my hair again before I went to Hawaii. But I think being in the ocean water with a little bit of chlorine kind of like messed up my hair, meaning like the color kind of stripped off. I went to see my girl yesterday. I'll go ahead and put her in the info box because I recommend her and I've gotten lots of compliments with my hair color before I touch it up. So you guys got to see her. She's in the city in Laurel Village. I'll put her down in the info box if you guys are from that area. I really missed like that silver icy gray color at the bottom at the ends. So what she did was she darkened my top again and I brought in my own silver toner for the bottom. It turned a lot more gray and bluish, but I think in time when it fades, it'll get back to that silver icy color, which I'm looking forward to. And plus, I still have about a month to have this fade away, perfect for summer. And I got some color on my face and body. Yes, because I just came back from Hawaii. Didn't get as tan as I thought I was going to get. I kind of feel like I kind of look the same-ish. I mean, I got some color obviously, but I just didn't feel like I got like 2-3 shades darker, which I was anticipating. Tanning out there, it takes so much. Like seriously, you have to have patience. You have to make sure you're rotating so you're nice and even. As a kid, I remember wearing like whatever, shorts, pants, sweater, running around, playing outdoors. I got like the most even tan. And now as an adult, I'm just like, I gotta make sure I don't burn, make sure I gotta rotate. But whatever, I am happy with what I got. In this video, I'm gonna talk about a few things. I'm gonna talk about some of the purchases from Sephora's VIB Rouge sale. And of course, I'll talk about some of the Hawaii snacks and the good foods we ate there. I'm gonna jump in with the snacks just because who doesn't love a snack? I tried to buy things that we didn't have here in the States. States? I'm so stupid. Make it seem like Hawaii is not part of us because it's kind of far, but it's still near. So anyways, I tried to buy things that we didn't have here because when you travel, you want to bring back home things that we don't have, just because it makes it more unique and special. The first destination was the Dole Plantation. So of course we had to buy everything pineapple related. Probably a bad example because this here is actually Fuji apples. So with this, it actually has like this little sweet and salty kind of like powdery stuff on here. I guess in English it's called lihing. I have no idea. But to all my Asian friends out there, I'm not sure if you guys eaten this as a kid or still to this day. We used to snack on these dried plums that has like this sweet and sour coated powder, which is this right here. In Chinese, it's called wa mui. So we would eat that. First it's like sweet and it gets salty and then you eat like the skin of the plum and then you spit out the seed obviously. But this is the same sweet and sour powdery coating that's on the little plums. I grabbed these because it's childhood memories, you know, it's nostalgic. You're just like, oh my god, I used to eat this all the time with my grandma. Please don't mind the open package. My husband already got to these. These are chocolate covered gummy bears, but they are pineapple flavored. We also got some plain pineapple gummy bears. So it's my turn to open the packages. I just don't have the box anymore. This was also purchased at the Dole Plantation. This is a shortbread, but it's a taro flavor, and I believe there's like macadamia nuts in there. Literally one left. These are chocolate covered toffee balls, macadamia nut that has a powdered sugar around it. So good. And these were actually from Hawaii, so I was like, I need to grab like 3-4 bags. Ooh, these are so delicious. These are Hawaiian macadamia nuts and they have like this honey roasted covered, kind of like honey roasted peanuts. We did not get the Hawaiian Host or ala, I forgot what brand it was. The chocolate covered macadamia nuts, just because again, we want something different. So honey roasted was the choice. And of course, we could not leave without getting the staple cookies. These are the Honolulu cookies. Again, these are also the shortbread cookies, just like the taro one. Oops. And we just got the regular milk chocolate ones. We didn't like the other ones that they offered, which are still good with fruits and like white chocolate. We just decided to get milk chocolate because we both like that. I went to this place called Yogurt Story. Oh my gosh, guys. Amazing. You guys follow me on Instagram. I posted a lot of pictures. I did a lot of stories. It's basically this breakfast brunch place that's really known for their ube pancakes. How do I describe an ube? An ube is like a purple yam, potato, taro kind of fruit or vegetable. And a lot of Asian people, or maybe more, are familiar with this because we do use this in a lot of our fruits, our dinners, our desserts. So we're always around this type of fruit, ube. It is with Hawaii. Like their pancakes are so buttery and so milk, like buttermilk pancakes. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it just tastes different. I also went to another brunch place called Cinnamon's and they have an excellent guava pancake too. I don't know about you guys, but breakfast foods are like my favorite things to eat. I could have like a corned beef and hash for dinner. I just love breakfast foods. So when we were in Hawaii, we ate a lot of breakfast foods. To be honest, it's probably buttered whipped cream. I don't know what it is. I am addicted. I also went to this place called Goofy Cafe. Amazing French toast. It's banana pancake and papaya French toast. Oh my God, and that butter. So good. Another brunch place. Egg and Things is actually a chain because we've seen so many of them as we were driving around. I also had oxtail ramen. I don't know if you guys are a big fan of oxtail, but again, we are. If you guys are a foodie like us, have an upcoming trip to Hawaii, I'll go ahead and put all the links down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. I also went crazy, guys. I went to Ala Moana Mall and I went bag shopping crazy, so I don't know what it was. Maybe because they have 20% off the whole store, or maybe because their state tax is a lot lower here than California. My husband bought a fanny pack and a wallet. So I ended up buying 2 bags. I bought myself a fanny pack and a purse. So I actually put a poll on my Instagram if I should have gotten the coral, orange, red, I mean, it's kind of both, or if I should have gotten the neon yellow. That neon yellow purse, I really did like it. It's really cute, it's really trendy. I'm all about neon, I've always been. The thing is, I feel like I could only wear it dressed down and not up. If I were to wear a little black dress, I don't think I would wear that neon yellow, but I could pair it with this and it's still pretty sophisticated. It's a small little purse. It has a nice zipper. You can fit a lot in here. And the most important thing is I gotta make sure that my phone can fit in here. It's a strap. You can wear it crossbody. You can wear it on the side. I really do like the fact that it has like a belt so you can adjust the straps. I mean, everyone's different heights, shape, body. I have a shorter torso, so every time I have a long bag that I can't adjust, it's literally almost like the end of my thigh. Whereas this, I can adjust it and it's just hovering right under my hip. When I got to the mall, I knew that Saint Laurent had to be the first store that I visit because I love that brand. Little did I know that whole store was 20% off. What? Guys, if you guys are planning a trip to Hawaii anytime soon, head down to the Ala Moana Mall, to the Saint Laurent store. Look for Jackie because he's the one who helped me out. I got this fanny pack. I got the signature black and gold just because I could wear it with anything, and this is so pretty. I love the quilted material. I love the gold hardware. It has a pocket in the back, which is really cute. Again, it has an adjustable strap. So depending if you like it super tight around your waist, you like it loose and kind of hanging to the side, you can actually wear it on the side. You could do a crossbody. It's kind of cute that it has like this little tassel, but it kind of gives you like a little chain when you're wearing this. I didn't like it when I first seen it, to be honest, but after wearing it, it's actually really cute. You have the choice to take it out because it's not stuck on there. You can even, you know, move this part because it has like these little loops here. So you can really work with this. You can even tie it into your belt of your pants if you wanted to. I mean, if you really want it secure. Like I said, you can take off this little tassel and you can probably attach this to like your purse or even like a luggage or something. So it's very versatile. Unfortunately, I can't show you the fanny pack or the wallet because my husband's using it right now, but I could show you the picture because I took a picture of our shopping stuff after we went a little nuts at the store. Moving on to Sephora's VIB Rouge sale. So anytime there's a sale, especially for the rouges out there, it's nice because you do get a 20% off. A lot of times makeups, even designer bags, they don't really go on sale unless if it's like a old season modeled or if the makeup palette was last year's or something like that. So it's kind of rare. So many times during the sale, I usually buy a lot more skincare just because it's expensive, guys. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna just show you briefly what I got. I didn't really go too crazy, I promise. So I got another SK2 toner just because I need a refill on this. So this was a perfect time to buy this. And also just to let you guys know, Costco sometimes has the super jumbo size of this with an actual pump for like $229. I forget exactly, but if I can find a link, I will, or picture, I'll put it down somewhere. But to be honest, I think Costco's is the real deal sale. I bought a small little travel size Tatcha illuminating spray. Sometimes I don't want to hold that full size with me. This is the perfect one to keep in my purse. I bought some candles, guys. I've never heard of this brand. This is actually a gift. I'm going to give this to my godmother. It's basically all types of roses, and I thought it was really cute and small so she can try it versus buying one big large one. At least she has a variety pack to choose from. And if she wants to buy one of these in a larger size after she's done burning these, she can do so. Got myself another Murad SPF 50 moisturizer. This is a must in all my makeup routines every day. Even if I'm not wearing any makeup, I'll just wear this. So here's a funny story. In my pack with me to Hawaii video, I brought a large sunscreen spray that we always take with us. I don't know if it's just the Hawaii sun. Those 4 days that we were there, my husband and I finished that whole bottle. On our last day, we ended up using almost this whole thing because we didn't have any. This wasn't really doing the trick, so we had to buy like the lotion SPF 100. But by that time, we were pretty burned. Bought a new one so I can put this back on the side of my car when I'm driving. And I also bought a larger one for just in case. So just replenishing my kit, I bought a few more of these. This is the Sephora Collection Fine Line. I swear by this, guys. It's waterproof and it's 14 bucks. I replenished some lip stains because this is a staple in my kit, especially for brides. I got the number 97 Desert Rose, which is like a brick red. I already have the Always Red, but sometimes clients want a little bit more deeper red. I replaced the number 14 Blackberry Sherbet, which is like a nice wine color. And of course, classic color 13 Marvelous Mauve. Oh, and I bought like 5 more of these. My ultimate favorite. This is the Jack Black Lip Balm with SPF 25 in Grapefruit. 3 more bottles of these waterproof makeup removers. This is really nice. It's gentle for the face, the eyes. And believe it or not, there's some kind of conditioning in this, so it actually helps nourish your lashes. Ooh, guys, the last thing I forgot to talk to you about my Hawaii trip. My husband got me a flower. So you're supposed to put this over your left ear to let people know that you are taken. I actually forgot to talk about one important thing. The main reason why I went to Hawaii in the first place. I went there to bring back some coffee. I didn't get to really buy coffee from the local shops just because we ran out of time, but in our little hotel resort kind of place, which is the Hilton Hawaiian Village, and I came across this because this is their Macnila. So I guess it's macadamia and vanilla flavor, which is so good. I wish you guys can smell it. Smell it through that hole. You can smell it. It smells so good. Did I talk about this, guys? This is macadamia syrup. You can put like a dash of this in your coffee and it changes it. It gives you the best tasting coffee ever. But of course, I still went and bought this. So before I end this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I actually have a giveaway. So happy because I finally just hit 500 subscribers. So thanks to everyone that has been supporting and watching, and notice that I was like, I'm so close to 500, please subscribe. So I totally appreciate it. So now for my giveaway. So for my giveaway, I really thought about this because it's about to be summer and I wanted to share some of the things I like during the summer. I like to glow, I like to bronze, and I like to wear a lot of lashes. So I thought it would be nice to kind of put together some of my favorite things that I've used on people, and also that I think will be great for you guys. So the first product I have is foundation. I have the Bare Pro foundation, amazing. Gives you a lightweight finish, but very buildable, and it also has SPF 20. I love my lashes. Now these are a little bit more dramatic and fluffier, but you always want to measure your eye shape before applying it on so it gets to the right shape and it fits you nicely. These are by Sedusa Cosmetics. This pair is called Ace. If you guys like these pairs or the Little Lions, which is my ultimate favorite, or if you want to check out what else she offers, go ahead and check out her website and don't forget to use my discount code. New item here. This is by Kate Sommerville. This is her newest glowing moisturizer. I haven't opened it yet. It's like literally tight and sealed, but I've seen the tester of it and it has like a nice glowiness to it. This is perfect to wear for the summer if you want that dewy look, but don't forget your SPF. You guys know I love to bronze. This is also another staple bronzing palette that I keep in my kit. Good for most complexions because it has 4 different shades, so I think this will be great, and I'll add in a angled brush for you guys. So the last product in the giveaway is gonna be this lip stain. I love this so much. This is a brand new collection for the summer by Givenchy. It's one of their newest lip stains. This is a lip stain, it's brand new, it's a nice fuchsia color. I'm not gonna open this, but I'm actually wearing the nude color. Love it, guys. It smells so good. It has a really pretty slanted doe foot applicator. It reminds me of a foot insole. So funny looking, but you can actually just hug the lips without using a liner. It's a long wear, transfer proof. I mean, this is so good. There's no rules to this. You could probably put like 1 or 2 dabs and then blend it out. It could give you the nice just eaten popsicle effect lip, or you can use, you know, as much pigment as you want. What's really nice about it is that you can make it as soft and sheer as you want it to more opaque and more pronounced for a night look. Now the rules to the giveaway. You guys know it's going to be always simple and easy. As always, you want to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below of some of your summer favorites. Give this video a big thumbs up, and that's it. You guys are more than welcome to share this to some of your friends. I will repost it on my stories. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagrams. My handles will be right there. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all my Hawaii snacks. I hope this makes you want to go because we really want to go back. Again, I'll put everything in the info box for you guys. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!